Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move to the second part of my remarks, which is to talk about two of our judicial nominees who will be coming before the Senate today. Both of these nominees will be voted on today to be members of the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania. And I just wanted to give senators the benefit of a little bit of biographical background on both of them. First, I'll start with Nitza I. Quinones Alejandro. Judge Quinones is recognized by her colleagues as being very well prepared as a judge and conscientious as a judicial official who exhibits an outstanding judicial temperament and fairness. Since 1991, Nitza Quinones Alejandro has served as a trial judge for the First Judicial District of the Pennsylvania Court of Common Pleas in Philadelphia, working on criminal and civil trials and all of the diversity and difficulty and challenge that comes with that. She runs a good courtroom. She treats lawyers and litigants fairly and renders thoughtful decisions. She was first nominated for judicial appointment back in May of 1990 by Governor Robert P. Casey, my father, when he was serving in office in Pennsylvania. And at the time, not quite then a judge, but Judge Quinones became the first Latina state court judge in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, way back in the early 1990s. Prior to her judicial appointment, Judge Quinones served as an arbitrator for the Philadelphia Court of Common Pleas from 1980 to 1991. She also worked as a staff attorney with the Department of Veterans Affairs and an attorney advisor for the Office of Hearings and Appeals at the Department of Health and Human Services. She was also a staff attorney with Community Legal Services in Philadelphia. Judge Quinones is a founding member and has been active within the Hispanic Bar Association of Pennsylvania for the past 20 years. She has actively recruited students from local law schools and hired numerous Hispanic attorneys as full-time law clerks and serves as a mentor to countless students and professionals. She's a native of Puerto Rico, and she graduated from the University of Puerto Rico School of Business Administration, cum laude, in 1972 and acquired her Juris Doctor degree from the University of Puerto Rico School of Law in 1975. Her commitment to public service and her substantial judicial experience will make her an outstanding federal judge. It's also, I should note, a remarkable American story that Judge Quinones brings to us today, and we look forward to her vote today and her confirmation. We appreciate the work that's been done to bring her nomination to the floor, and I've enjoyed working with Senator Toomey on both Judge Quinones' nomination as well as the second nomination that I'll review now. It's Jeffrey L. Schmel, and Judge Schmel will bring an extraordinary record of knowledge, experience, and public service to the federal bench. He's well regarded by lawyers and litigants who appear before him, as well as the people of Reading in Berks County, Pennsylvania. Since 2007, he has served as the president judge for the Berks County Court of Common Pleas, where he has served as a judge since 1998. Prior to joining the bench, Judge Schmel was a partner at Rhoda, Stout, and Bradley from 1988 to 97, where he also worked as an associate since 1986. He served as the county solicitor for Berks County from 1989 to 97. He owned his own law firm from 81 to 86. He also served as an assistant district attorney in Berks County as a prosecutor and as an assistant public defender for the Berks County Public Defender's Office, a rare combination, both as a public defender and as a prosecutor. He received his Bachelor of Arts degree from Dickinson College, 1977, and Juris Doctorate degree from the University of Toledo Law School in 1980. So we look forward to Judge Schmel's confirmation as well. And I think with both of these individuals, there are two individuals about whom we can be very proud and vote for and support with enthusiasm. And it always helps when you have two judges who are the result of a the working together of a Democratic senator and a Republican senator, in this case Senator Toomey and I working together to bring their nomination to this point and to get them confirmed on the floor of the Senate. And with that, Mr. President, I would yield the floor.